Disney's Dumbo will be released in UK theaters next week. The classic tale features a young elephant abused by a cruel circus. Meanwhile, real-life animals mistreated in circuses find solace in places like the Veles Wildlife Center in St. Petersburg, founded by animal lover Alexander Fyodorov. Here, exotic wildlife like Tanya the bear can recover from a neglectful past.
The bear Tonya spent 8 years in a chain before we adopted her. There were 2 chains around her neck that grew into the body. One grew 7 centimeters inside her neck. The bear had several surgeries. The last chain link reached the backbone. We cut a little part of the bone to remove that piece of chain.
Meanwhile, Elsa the lioness has adapted surprisingly well to Russia's snowy climate.
Elsa flew from Grozny on December 30th last year as a gift from one businessman to another. During the flight, she escaped and was wandering in the luggage compartment. When the plane landed at the Polkov airport and personnel started to unload luggage, they found a lioness who was attacking people.
All the animals at Veles have a similar tale of human neglect. Gina the crocodile was found as a baby in a trash can by a street cleaner who initially mistook her for a toy. Yet once these wild animals find their way to Veles, their health and futures improve. Fyodorov now has around 200 creatures in his shelter, ranging from wolves and moose to storks and hedgehogs. Some of them are rehabilitated and released into the wild, while others will remain at Veles for life.
We are not a zoo. We adopt animals with problems. Some of them have lost their mothers, or the mothers were killed. There are wild bears, wolves, foxes, hares, and so on.
Veles Wildlife Center runs mainly on donations and volunteers, but Fyodorov, who owns a St. Petersburg construction company, provides much of the funding himself. UK audiences, moved by Dumbo next week, may be grateful to know that wherever there are neglected animals, there are people like Fyodorov ready to help. This has been Caitlin Fikes of Truth Found News.